So basically we talked the new piece, the ZW-FMV. So it covers the Maverick, which has been a huge request for us, right?
That's going to be huge. Having this Maverick, I mean, I will say that last year at GFX convention there in Charlotte, that was probably the #1 call for, other than the Dodge Ram.
Right, and it's not only for Maverick, it is compatible with the newer
the Bronco Sports, the small ones too.
Bronco
a lot of municipalities are using those.
And the same type of connections, right? Compared with the other ZWAGZ product.
Oh yeah, simple, one connection at the BCM, plug right in, the ground lug is right next to it. That's where you're going to ground it out.
You need to get the power from the fuse box.
Oh, you get the power from the fuse box, but it comes in the harness though.
Exactly.
I mean, it's already got the fuse tabs.
Still very simple installation. You can have this result. You have the high beam, low beam,
the blinkers. We even got bumper markers, which I've not seen that in any other Ford.
Right.
That's the first Ford I've seen that has bumper markers.
Why would you use the ZWAGZ against the regular standard strobe system?
Well, I don't know if we talked about that big of one, the fact that a whole lot more affordable. I mean, it's a fraction of the price of what a standard strobe system is going to be. It's a simple plug and play. Again, truck's not down. It's in and out of that shop in generally an hour or less,
so
depending on how busy the shop might be.
On a strobe system, you're probably going to spend 6 to 8 hours.
The whole truck is down for the day, minimum down for the day.
So how many trucks can you do with a ZWAGZ, let's say, in one day?
An installer who knows how to install our product, which is super simple, man, you're talking about you could do 5 trucks an hour. Turn the truck off, remove the key fob from it, walk away, let the brain or the CAN bus go to sleep in the vehicle, 5, 7, 10 minutes, whatever it is. Then you're spending 10 minutes in the vehicle doing the installation, put it back together, you're done. So I might have been a little aggressive at 5 per hour.
Right.
Let's cut it back. You're doing at least 3.
We can do ZWAGZ only in the car, which we will achieve the results that everybody's looking for, like, right, extra visibility, safety,
the high visibility. I mean, you're blinking almost all of the OEM lights.
Right.
With the simple plug-in of our module into the BCM.
Right. Or light control module.
Or the lighting control module depends upon the vehicle as well, I understand. But if we're talking about the Maverick, and you know, it's got multiple ways to activate it as well, you know.
Right.
If they want to use the push button trigger that it comes with, they can mount that on the dash somewhere, push it off and on, change patterns that way. Put it with switches. Right. Or the high beam lever.
ZWAGZ can work with the strobe system, and so we will have the most of the OEM lights flashing. You will have the external strobe system flashing, but the nice thing is the strobe system cannot make the OEM lights to flash. So this is very unique. This is unique to us.
Right.
This is
it's proprietary tech right here.
Exactly. 100% ZWAGZ. You can make the OEM lights to flash. And of course, you can add extra visibility with the standard strobe system. On the back, same type of deal to drill holes. Again, the nice thing about this, you install the ZWAGZ, you have the lights flashing. Once you're done, or if you want to upgrade your fleet with the newer Maverick, I don't know what's going to happen in a few years, you can move pretty much the ZWAGZ out of the car. Brand new product, ZW-FMV, that will cover Mavericks, Cape, Bronco Sport, Mach-E.
It's huge. I mean, the opportunities for the ZWAGZ are endless for these municipalities to save a lot of money or stretch their budget a lot farther than they might have anticipated.
So plug and play solution, brake light, reverse light, turn signal,
tag light,
tag light, you can even see here. And then on the front, we will have, as I mentioned before, high beam, low beam, blinkers, and the markers on the side. I am Thiago, Vice President of ZZ2.
Hey, I'm Steve, National Sales Manager at ZZ2.
And if you're looking for extra visibility, we got the solution.
And you can shine on top of my head. Come check us out at ZZ2.com.